Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a list of 25 amazing Amazon finds all under $10. These items are on special deals right now and we've made it easy for you. All the links are in the description below. Let's jump right into the list. Tired of stepping onto cold bathroom floors? These extra soft chenille rugs are super absorbent, making sure your floors stay dry after showers or baths. They come with a non-slip rubber backing to keep the mat in place and are also machine washable for easy cleaning. Perfect for bathrooms, tubs, or even kitchens. Stylish and practical at an unbeatable price. If you love cooking healthier meals, this 2-in-1 oil sprayer is a game changer. It holds up to 16 ounces of oil and dispenses a fine, even mist for salads, air frying, and grilling. Made with premium food-grade glass, it's not only functional but also looks sleek on your kitchen counter. Say goodbye to messy oils and enjoy the perfect amount every time. These night lights are both energy efficient and practical. With dusk-to-dawn sensors, they turn on automatically in low light and stay off during the day, saving energy. They also offer dimmable brightness, making them perfect for kids' rooms, hallways, or bathrooms. These lights provide a gentle glow, so you don't have to stumble around in the dark anymore. No more disposable lighters. This rechargeable arc lighter is windproof and flameless, making it ideal for lighting candles, grills, or campfires. It's USB rechargeable, so you can use it for months without buying a replacement. Plus, it has a safety lock feature to keep kids safe. Stylish, eco-friendly, and functional. It's a must-have for any home. Cleaning tight spaces can be a hassle, but not with these tools. This 3-piece set features hard bristle brushes designed for crevices in your kitchen, bathroom, or appliances. Whether it's stovetops, corners, or sinks, these brushes will get rid of stubborn dirt in no time. Small, portable, and highly effective, cleaning just got easier. Kids' toys taking over the room? This adorable stuffed animal hammock is a fun and functional way to keep plush toys organized and off the floor. It fits perfectly into any corner, maximizing space while adding a cute touch to the decor. Easy to install and durable, it's perfect for bedrooms, playrooms, or nurseries. Clogged dryer vents can be dangerous and inefficient. This dryer vent cleaning kit features a long, flexible brush that removes lint buildup to keep your dryer running smoothly and reduce fire risks. It's an essential tool for every household and helps save energy by improving dryer performance. Safety and savings, all in one. Arm & Hammer's odor eliminators are perfect for tackling tough smells in your home or on the go. These perforated balls are filled with baking soda and work for up to 60 days. Use them in closets, gym bags, shoes, hampers, and cars for a fresh, clean scent. Affordable, effective, and versatile. A must for every household. Struggling to clean hard-to-reach bottle lids or cups? This 3-in-1 cleaning brush set is designed specifically for gaps, lids, and baby bottles. Its compact size and multiple brush heads make it easy to clean even the tightest spaces. A kitchen essential for keeping your drinkware spotless. For all the gardeners out there, this 3-in-1 soil meter is a lifesaver. It measures soil pH, moisture levels, and sunlight to help you keep your plants healthy. No batteries are required. Just stick it into the soil and get accurate readings in minutes. Great for indoor plants, gardens, lawns, or farms, making plant care easier than ever. Keep your little ones safe with these sturdy outlet covers. With easy installation, they protect toddlers and babies from dangerous electrical sockets. Perfect for homes, nurseries, and offices, they're an affordable way to child-proof any space while offering peace of mind. Want barista-level coffee at home? This mini milk frother is perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, or even hot chocolate. Its stainless steel wand creates creamy, frothy milk in seconds, and it's battery-operated, making it super portable. It even comes with a stand for easy storage. This cute mini fan is perfect for summer. It's rechargeable, portable, and can be used handheld or placed on a desk. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for traveling, office work, or outdoor activities. Small but powerful, it's a great way to stay cool anywhere. Enjoy traditional espresso at home with this stovetop coffee maker. Made of durable aluminum, it brews rich, bold coffee in minutes. Its compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens or on-the-go use. Ideal for coffee lovers who enjoy a strong, classic brew. Keep your wine fresh longer with these reusable vacuum wine stoppers. They're leak-proof, easy to use, and work with most standard wine bottles. Perfect for preserving flavors and preventing spills. A must-have accessory for any wine enthusiast. Add a touch of boho charm to your space with this elegant macrame plant hanger. It's perfect for displaying potted plants indoors or outdoors, saving space while enhancing your decor. Handmade with care, it's both stylish and functional. These upgraded tea infusers make brewing loose-leaf tea easy and mess-free. The fine mesh keeps leaves out of your cup while allowing full flavor to infuse. Durable, reusable, and perfect for tea lovers who want a better brew. Stay organized with this set of magnetic measuring spoons. They stack neatly together for easy storage, are made of durable stainless steel, and fit most spice jars. Perfect for cooking and baking with precision. Preserve your honey's purity with this beautifully crafted wooden honey dipper. It's warp-resistant, durable, and ideal for drizzling honey on toast, oatmeal, or tea. A classic addition to any kitchen. These non-stick silicone bread mats make transferring dough to your Dutch oven a breeze. The long handles prevent burns, while the reusable design ensures easy cleanup. Perfect for sourdough bakers. This elegant glass teacup includes an infuser for loose-leaf tea. It's heat-resistant, holds 13 ounces, and makes enjoying your favorite teas simple and stylish. Great for everyday use. Refresh your home naturally with this 100% pure peppermint oil. Perfect for diffusers, cleaning, and even repelling pests. A versatile and natural addition to your home essentials. Add personality to your walls with these vibrant vintage-inspired prints. Perfect for dorm rooms, bedrooms, or living spaces. Colorful and full of character, this beautiful incense holder catches ash cleanly and comes with 30 sticks to get you started. A stylish way to add relaxation and aroma to your space. Upgrade your charging game with this wall plug outlet extender. Featuring 3 outlets and 3 USB ports, including 1 USB-C. It's perfect for cruise ships, travel, dorm rooms, or home use. Compact and practical, this plug extender allows you to power multiple devices efficiently, making it an essential tool for any modern lifestyle. That's it for today's video. If you found these items helpful, don't forget to check out the links in the description. All of these are under $10. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which item was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.